All right, guys, here we go. I'm just out here shooting. I had some extra targets. This is not the boomstick target, but this is like my preliminary one right there. So it's missing a dot, on there. But I thought I got it printed up. So shoot it 50 yards right there. I want to try shooting with the semi-automatic CZ512. It's got a Rory 24 power scope, first focal plane on it. Shooting Ely match. This likes match pretty good, but the worst part about this gun is the trigger. It's got a horrendous trigger on it in there. I'm sure if I shot this thing, more and more, I get better with it. And but I can't remember if I put one in here yet or not. I get better with it, but maybe not. Like I say, I'm not gonna take any sliders. I'm just gonna go with it. And just out here, I'm fun. This first time in 2 months I got to shoot, so. I think that would plug. You see, right, this is, like I say, a real heavy pull right there. It's hard to tell, when it's going to break on you. You got that one. Missed. No, I think I would plug. Pretty sure. That 5 shots yet? 1, 2, 3. Yep, I got to load up again. I got a 5-round magazine out here. Now, whenever we're shooting these, this target we put out there, I with my Bagheera, I had the worst score out, but with the Bagheera of anybody. But then I come back with the Tika, and I tied Chad and Kentucky Rimfire Hobbies for second place. But Justin Lowe, he won it over everybody that tried it right there. I think the only ones that didn't try is Eli Range didn't try it, Walnut and Steel didn't try it, and Lead Fever, he's had medical issues, so he's able to get out there. So I think maybe Eli and Nibs are scared. Let's see. I could really use a cheek riser on this rifle here. Look at that plug. Ooh, that was a miss. That one plug all right. That one, is that it? I think so. Let me load up here again. Like I say, this is a preliminary one. Before I go with a Benchrest championship, I title there, Who Demand? See, I think Hasbro tied for second place. I can't remember. He is out there, but he's shooting target in dark and cold. So more power to him. I consider that instant win. If you're out there at nighttime, you need lights and it's snowing and stuff. It's an instant win. Let's go. I'm not naming everybody's names going out there. Like I said, this was my preliminary mock-up of this target right there, and I forgot. Oh, I forgot to put my buddy Chris Lang on there, so he's not on this target. So. I'll blow it up there. I'm pretty sure it's a miss. Hit. I'll blow it up there. I might plug. I don't know. Is that 4? Got one more around here. Maybe not. I don't know. I say I'm just out here digging dog. I'm not gonna go down, get it, and plug it. I hobble around the cane anyway. And my niece, I'm out here pulling these targets today and hanging steel back up and painting them, and put a couple new swingers and 25-yard target stand. This is a 50 here, but in the mud. Took a toll on my knee. It's aching right now. Okay. No, it's next one. Drilled that dot, I think. Yeah. I think I got one more in there. I don't know. Go over it now. I know the little tiny one, that's the boomstick one right there. Amazingly, how many times guys keep on hitting that little tiny dot. But I didn't. Okay. Yeah, hang on. Let me see. I want to do one more for Chris Lang, since his name ain't on there. And that way I can kind of half-ass score this thing. I don't know. More around. Above that dot up above the boomstick, little tiny dot right there, is already kind of hit right in there. I'm going to go for that same dot there. That's where it'd be at there. So. Yeah, I got that'd be a plug. All right, let's take a look here. Let's blow this up here. Okay. Yeah, 1 second's miss. Third, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a miss. 7, 8. I'm going to say that's a miss, but it might plug. 9, 10. I think that one plugged. 11. That's awful close, but I think it's a miss. That's a miss. 12, 13. Since I did one miss for Chris Lang, 14, 15. So that'd been I think there were 10 points piece right there. 150 points. That's what it would have been. So let me pause here and take you out of the spotting scope. All right, guys. Like I say, there's the CZ512. You know, man, if it had a decent trigger in it, they stopped making these in 2019, so at least the 22s. They still make a 22 mag version, but it's kind of like a tactical rifle version. Don't know how well they shoot, but I mean, that's no bull barrel either. You know, that's pretty impressive for, you know, semi-automatic. You know, basically stock. You know, gun there. Let me know what you think, guys, and we'll talk to you next time.